Good day everyone. So for today we are going to learn how to connect two clients on our Windows server. First, we need to install Windows Server 2008. If not already installed, we need to install it Server 2008 on a physical or virtual machine. The second step is we need to configure basic settings, set up network configurations such as IP address, subnet masks, gateway, and DNS server settings. Ensure that the server is connected to the network. The third one is we need to install required roles and features. With that, we need to install the roles and features necessarily for client connectivity. For the purpose of it, you will likely need these file services, role and potentially print services depending on our requirements. To install roles and features, first we need to open Server Manager by clicking on Start, Administrative Tools, Server Manager. In Server Manager, click on Roles and then click Add Roles. To start the Add Roles wizard, follow the wizard to select and install the required roles and features. Then, after that, we need to configure file sharing. Share folders on the Windows Server 2008 machine that you want the Windows XP and Windows 7 clients to access. First, right-click on the folder you want to share, select Properties, go to the Sharing tab, click Advanced Sharing, check Share this folder and configure permissions as needed. Then, set up user accounts. Create user accounts on the Windows Server 2008 machine that correspond to the users of the Windows XP and Windows 7 clients. Ensure these accounts have appropriate permissions to access shared folders. Then, connect Windows XP and Windows 7 clients. For Windows XP, go to Control Panel, Network Connections, right-click on the network connection and select Properties. Then, select Internet Protocol, TCP or IP, and click Properties. Enter the IP address, subnet masks, gateway, and DNS server addresses obtained from your network settings. Access shared folders by typing server IP address, shared folder name in Windows Explorer. Then open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings on the left sidebar. Right-click on the network connection, select Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, and click Properties. Then, enter the IP address, subnet masks, gateway, and DNS server addresses obtained from your network settings. Access shared folders by typing server IP address, shared folder name in Windows Explorer. Then, to test connectivity, ensure that both Windows XP and Windows 7 clients can access the shared folders on the Windows Server 2008 machine. For additional configuration, it is optional. Depending on your requirements, you may need to configure additional settings such as domain joining, firewall rules, or specific permissions. And that's it for configuring or connecting two gateways, Windows 7 and Windows XP and Windows Server 2008. That's all. Thank you.